Okay, well, this is John and Parita. We're here in San Carlos Square in the Philippines, San Carlos City. But I had to share this and put this on YouTube. This is a Statue of Liberty. If not exactly the same replica of what we have in America, in New York. Liberty Island. So but anyway, so we're here, we're walking around, taking in all the sights and taking in all the people and having a good time, and just walking and touring around. So all right, God bless you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You'll really help us. All right, we love you. God bless. Bye-bye.